I'm the Chief of Growth at Petpooja. I've been with Petpooja for the last 6.5 years. Very interesting journey in the food industry. We when I joined, we there were probably 700-800 restaurants on the platform. Today there are over 35,000. So been instrumental in this growth. Have seen it firsthand. Have seen the problems of the industry firsthand. Provided solutions firsthand. So it's been a overall wonderful experience. um, Overall, I believe so. Very interestingly, every series, webinar, or seminar that I go to, I see that for the F&B industry, technology occupies 30 to 40% of mind space, right? And this is unlike most other industries that I've seen. Most traditional industries think of technology second, whereas I'm very happy to see and say that F&B technology is in top of mind of the F&B entrepreneurs, and which to a level really should be, because that's the age we are in, right? If you don't use all the tools at your disposal, you're going to be at a strategic disadvantage. So I'm a mechanical engineer by education. I finished my bachelor's from University of Illinois, Urbana, Champaign. Came back, did 2 levels of the CFA, which is, I'm a trained financial analyst. Then I did 2 years of agriculture, where I grew around 400 tons of cucumbers. Out from that, I joined a venture capital firm for 6 odd months. Got disenchanted by the world of venture capital and thought, mujhe actually, I want to get my hands dirty, right? Which is when I actually went and joined Pet Puja and have been here for the past 6.5 years. So, have a varied background, seen very different aspects of different businesses, and love what I've done till date. Always open to newer learnings, newer ideas that have been there, right? And I think each step in that journey has taught me something very invaluable, which I carry on to the next. So, for example, यार engineering कर लिया था, mechanical engineering, फिर I thought अब कहाँ use में आएगा. But at Petpooja, then suddenly we started a hardware R&D division, right? So, been an interesting learning that nothing that you've learned ever goes to waste. Obviously, in some way, shape, or form, I think it always comes back to you and it's in use, right? So, on the other side, just as a side note, I have a non-profit veterinary hospital. I've been a pet parent for the last 13 years. Was again disenchanted by the state of veterinary hospitals in Ahmedabad. So I'm from Ahmedabad. State Puja is based out of Ahmedabad mainly, and that's when I went and started a multi-speciality veterinary hospital in the city. And that's a non-profit. That's just what I do on the side. Right. So this has been my journey so far, right?